Water? Nope, come on. Man, it's a beautiful day out here. Still sunny Florida. Man, even though they closing down restaurants and all of these places, practicing social distancing. Man, this is crazy. So, man, just let me put this video out there to you guys today, especially for you truckers out there, man. A lot of you guys out there that's trucking, I don't know if you realize this, but even the time and the moment right now that we're experiencing in this world, but trucking is in demand, you know. So for you truckers out there, you guys should know that you're in demand now. And I'm letting you guys know this too, especially coming from a freight broker. You guys are in demand. This world needs your trucks, you know. So how I feel, man, trucking overall is in demand right now. And I could tell you, once this whole little coronavirus thing, once this passes, trucking is going to be at the all-time pinnacle in the industry. That's how I feel, you know, because one thing that I truly believe, and like I tell you guys out there, is that trucking is what runs the world. Without transportation and logistics and trucking, it wouldn't be a world. It wouldn't be an actual America, you know. So know for a fact that you truckers out there, you guys are in demand right now. Honestly, there's a lot of amazing rates out here right now, you know. I talked to some of you guys out there that's owner ops, that's out there trucking, and you guys are happy. You guys are making money. The rates are going up, and the fuel costs and the fuel price is going down, and it's only going to go down more. So we all know fuel and insurance is what drives the actual profit for a trucking company. Eventually, the insurance rates will go down too. That's what I'm going to predict, is because a lot of businesses are shutting down right now, meaning that they can't come back with the same prices. They have to come back in the rebuilding phase, if you guys understand that. So the insurance prices will go down here soon too. And like I tell you guys, man, trucking is in demand, and I feel trucking is headed pretty much up, you know. So I'll tell you guys too why I feel this way is because I talk to a lot of people on a day-to-day basis, and I'm starting to get more calls from shippers, you know, requesting more trucks because, like I say, trucking is in demand right now. But I'm gonna tell you guys what's really in demand in trucking. It's something that I don't specialize in. It's something that I don't really do a whole lot of business in. Brokered out a few loads to this style of trucking, but like I tell you guys, I'm more of a flatbed guy. What's really in demand right now is you guys out there with those reefer trailers. So if you guys out there hauling reefer right now, you guys are in demand. You better make sure that you're getting max dollar right now for your truck, because the world needs you right now to haul that produce, to haul that meat, to haul all of these frozen goods, man, you know. So if you guys have a reefer trailer, man, make sure you guys are getting max dollar out there. Make sure you guys are utilizing that reefer trailer to its full capacity. Also, this is where you box trucks can make a lot of money too, you know. And like I told you guys on the previous video, if you get off into the box truck, you know, game, you can make a lot of money with box trucks too. But go get you a box truck with the actual reefer unit on it, you know, so that you can haul refrigerated freight and also dry freight too. But like I say, right now, I believe the reefers are in demand, you know. So man, I just want to put this video out there to you guys today. Tell you guys, not every trucker out here is going to have an amazing time too. Some of you truckers out here are hauling for, you know, people that's not in business right now. So that means you probably have no type of freight to haul. So you got to start figuring out what's going to be your exit plan. You got to start figuring that out there. What's going to be the best route to go into this industry too. You know, this is going to be a moment right here. It's either going to make a lot of people or it's going to break a lot of people. So, man, I'm going to tell you guys one thing about it is I'm excited. I'm excited for the challenges that is ahead of me, you know, because I'm a student first. Remember that. Before I'm a mentor, trainer, and a teacher, I'm a student. And I'm just sitting back, being a student right now to what's going on out here, seeing what's the best routes to get into, seeing where the money is going to be made in this industry. And I'm just sitting back studying. So hopefully you guys are doing the same thing out there. I'm going to actually be doing a webinar on April the 5th, which would be a Sunday, and telling you guys some of my tactics on how I'm a profit, still profit during this moment, and what I'm going to do after this moment too. So just giving you guys some good ideas out there. April the 5th, gonna be a webinar. Visit my website. Everything is going to be in the description box below. Also, I get a lot of people that reach out to me too about they want me to be their dispatcher. You know, so I do have a dispatching company, and we had a moment when we weren't taking on any new owner operators just because we pretty much were maxing out due to the fact of the scalability of the company. But now we have the capacity to, you know, we had to sit down and figure out a few things. We had to hire on a few more dispatchers. So now we got more dispatchers in place. So now we could bring on more owner operators. So like I'm telling you guys, man, I feel trucking, it's going up because we in demand. I always tell you guys, think about this. If the trucking industry fully goes down, the world will go down. You know, I feel the gas and the fuel prices are coming back down because a lot of stuff in this world, it's just been too expensive. So I feel sometimes these are the moments to lower the price on a lot of things out here so we could get back, you know, to the uprise. Man, anybody got any questions? Hit me up on my email, broker@managedtrans.com. Go visit my website, www.extraordinarymovement.com. Go get your 30-day free trial with DAT. Go sign up with TAFS Trans and Financial Services if you guys are looking for a factoring service. CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Everybody be great out there.